It's been a frantic week working on the Pao. It is really coming together and we're into the final straight. This amazing stainless exhaust makes the car sound absolutely crisp. Your material, the material you picked, is now in the car, and doesn't it look amazing? Thanks for all the people that voted on the material. The purple looks great and the ivory picks up the small bits of ivory that are left. The amazing dash is in. Gosh, it looks fantastic with all the new leather on it. This really cool purple polished dash, and the headliner that we watched going in a couple of weeks ago is now completely finished and looks really sharp. The thing about builds like this is the devil is absolutely in the detail. When you come to the end, you've got amazing quirky features like this that just look so cool. But look, these are the original parts. The rubber is just completely splitting and falling apart, and these tiny little bits let down a complete build. So we've sourced or made all these rubbers to go around the window, and it looks so cool. Retro cars with modern features is what we do best. Ants fitting Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, it's all coming together and we're in the final straight. We'll be back with more, guys. See you soon.